Hey, what's up guys? My name's Ollie Stone. I'm a mechanic for Justin Barsha here.
Hey guys, I'm Justin Shanty.
Today I'm here with Cameron Camera.
Of chain slap.
Hey everyone, my name's Paul Parabinos, off-road manager at Renthal. Today I'm here with Cameron Camera, Hunter Lawrence's mechanic at Factory Honda HRC Racing, and he's going to show you how to install our Renthal Moto handguards. To get started, find the tools you'll need to install your handguards, in this case just a Phillips screwdriver. Next, get your handguards out of the package and start laying them out on your bench. We recommend building your handguards on your bench first before applying them to your motorcycle. Using the included hardware, assemble your handguards and prepare them to be installed on the motorcycle. Next, locate a position on your handlebar that allows for the handguard to be installed that will give them the best coverage of your hand while riding the motorcycle. Using the same techniques used on the left-hand side, now install your right handguard. With both handguards snug, adjust your handguard into the desired position before tightening them down.